I'm Lynette Zang, founder and CEO of Zang Enterprises, where we put community and sound money on a global basis first. So important. And speaking about the community, I had a question in the live on the Bitcoin reserve that's being discussed. Okay, well, let's talk about that, because there was a senator, Cynthia Loomis, a Republican from Wyoming, floated a revolutionary proposal. The thought is that a U.S. Bitcoin reserve would do much for Bitcoin and little for taxpayers. So they're trying to create a new market, and they're doing a great job. Wall Street's doing a great job of it. I mean, no offense to anybody, but anybody that really thinks that Bitcoin is outside of the system, well, there is a bridge in Brooklyn that I'd like to talk to you about. But speaking at the Nashville Bitcoin 2024 conference, Senator Cynthia Loomis of Wyoming floated a revolutionary proposal to make the federal government a Bitcoin investor. It is hard to imagine how this might benefit U.S. taxpayers or support the dollar's value, but it certainly would raise the dollar price of Bitcoin. Yeah, this is not a revolutionary proposal. I was there on Black Monday back in 1987, and what did they do after those markets imploded 25% in about a heartbeat of a minute? They created the plunge protection team. So what do we see? We see the government in the stock market. We see the government supporting the bond market. We see the government supporting the derivatives market, and derivatives are just a big fat bet. So would I be really surprised to see the government supporting a Bitcoin reserve? Frankly, I wouldn't. But this is all about keeping you inside of the system, making it easier to rob you. If you don't hold it, you don't own it, and your perception means nothing in a court of law. What cryptocurrencies are going to survive the transition is yet not known. Do I think that Bitcoin will? Well, probably, because frankly, Wall Street has really adopted it. And there are a couple of others that the government has adopted, like XRP and Tether. So there are a number of cryptocurrencies that Washington, the central banks, and Wall Street have decided will survive it. But quite honestly, nobody knows that yet. These are risk assets. If you want to position into some cryptocurrencies, rock and roll hoochie coo. I can't tell you what to do. I can tell you for an absolute fact that at this point and up to this point, I do not own any cryptocurrencies. Do I expect that to be true 100% of the time moving into the future? No, I do not. But when I do make that choice, I will let you know. And also, I will show you this, because what is this? This is a replica. This is supposed to be an image of what Bitcoin looks like. And you'll notice in all of the cryptocurrencies, they are either gold, silver, or platinum. Why? Because they want you to believe that they have value, but they use an awful lot of energy in a time when we're trying to do an energy transition. I'll do a piece on that in the future. And I'm telling you, if you don't hold it, you don't own it, you can't hold this. You can't. It's not real. But you can hold this, and this is real. This is proven sound money. This came out in 2009. It'll go through its test. It hasn't yet, but stay tuned. This has gone through thousands of years of tests. So if you like this, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure that you leave a comment, share with your friends and families. And really, to help us grow this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that little bell so we can let you know when we're going live, which we do every Tuesday at noon Mountain Central Time. If you have any questions, send them to questions@LynetteZang.com. And thank you so much for watching and being part of our community. And if you don't have your sound money strategy in place, click that link below, set up a time to talk to one of our strategy specialists, and they can help you put your goals, your best interest first. Until next we meet, 100%. I know that together we can make a positive difference for a lot of people. So until then, please take care of yourself. Bye-bye.